गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, क्लास 7 आज पढ़ेंगे. टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टीच द बहामनी किंगडम. इन माय लास्ट वीडियो आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट द विजयनगर एम्पायर. Bahmani kingdom established by, or you called founder, Hasan Gongu, an officer of the Sultan, occupied Daulatabad in 1347 and proclaimed his independence. After the death of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, not only reduced his empire into small portion from its size, it also gave rise a series of rebellion among the nobles. By the help of this turmoil situation, Hasan Gongu, an officer of Sultan, occupied Daulatabad and proclaimed himself as independent ruler in 1347, and he established the kingdom of Bahmani kingdom and took the title Alauddin Bahman Shah. He brought the rebellious nobles under control and established a peaceful and efficient administration. He made Gulbarga his capital, and the Bahmani kingdom lasted for 180 years from 1347 to 1527 after the Battle of Panipat, and its height extend from the Arabian Sea in the west to the Bay of Bengal in the east and the entire northern Deccan up to River Krishna. There were 18 rulers who ruled over the Bahmani kingdom. Firoz Shah, Bahmani, Mahmud Gawan were the most powerful, and Mahmud Gawan was the prominent ruler in this kingdom. Firoz Shah Bahmani was a powerful ruler and important ruler. He ruled over 25 years and he defeated the Gond king Narsingh Rai and captured his territories. He also conquered the Raichur Doab from the ruler of Vijayanagar but lost it again. He also learned man, poet as well as versed in Persian, Arabic, Turkish, Telugu, Kannada and Marathi. He had lot of interest of science. Basically, Firoz Shah Bahmani was a learned person overall. He encouraged and patronized learned men in his court. He won 2 victories against the Vijayanagar kingdom, but after his defeat in the third battle, he was forced to set up down from the throne in favor of his brother. Ahmad Shah not only avenged his brother's defeat but also devastated the kingdom of Vijayanagar. Next, Mahmud Gawan. Mahmud Gawan, a Persian merchant, came to India in 1460 and took service under the then Bahmani ruler Alauddin II. Soon he gained favor and his skilled labor. He became the Sultan at the age of 9. Gawan became his wazir, prime minister, and served his master with devotion and loyalty. He served 18 years and managed the affairs of the recognized in his administration. He defeated the rulers of Konkan, Orissa, and captured Dabhol and Goa from the Vijayanagar kingdom. Mahmud Gawan was a pattern of learning. He also patronized learned men in his court. He was well versed in mathematics and literature. He encouraged the growth of Urdu. Many scholars from the Persia came to the Bahmani court due to his encouragement. उसके encouragement से मशहूर होके वो कोर्ट में आता था. He built a magnificent madrasa in Bidar where students from the India and abroad came to study. The Bahmani kingdom was continuously troubled by the council conflicts between the two groups, nobles and the Deccani nobles. Deccani nobles मतलब जो nobles डेक्कन में already था, and the परदेसी nobles means जो परदेश माने बाहर से आया हुआ था. So the Deccanis were local origin and Pardesi came from Persia basically, like Turkey, Arabian Central Asia. The local could not tolerate the foreigners. That's why they conflict with each other. The two groups kept the conspiring against other. Muhammad Gawan too was a Pardesi and was unable to unite the two groups. Muhammad Gawan himself became the victim of a conspiracy when his opponents hatched a plan and had the Shah executed him in 1481. Administration. The Bahmani rulers followed the Sultanate form of administration. जो अलाउद्दीन खिलजी ने किया था तो उसको ही देख के पैटर्न देख के वो अपना एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन शुरू किया था. द किंगडम वॉज डिवाइडेड इनटू प्रोविंसेस and the tarafdars, not iqtadars, or the governors in charge each provinces. The governors had their own armies and had the power to appoint officers in the army as well as other civil posts. They helped the rulers with men during wars. The governors also collected revenues for the king. The people lead a good life under the Bahmani kings. The Bahmani sultans are great patron of art and architecture. They built magnificent buildings like Gol Gambaj at Bijapur, the Charminar at Hyderabad, the Jamma Masjid at Gulbarga. After the death of Mahmud Gawan, the king lost his control over the kingdom and the nobles overpowered the latter kings. तो मोहम्मद गवान के डेथ के बाद फिर से टर्मोनल सिचुएशन क्रिएट हो गया. The latter kings were weak and became puppets under the nobles. Nobles के हाथ का puppet बन गया जो किंग सिंहासन में बैठा. The continuous rivalries between the nobles weakened the empire. By 1527 the kingdom was split. दो भाग हो गया. इन दो नहीं 5 भाग हुआ into 5 independent kingdoms like Ahmednagar, Bedar, Bijapur, Bidar and Golconda. They too kept on fighting among each other and after their joint battle with the Vijayanagar kingdom. तो अहमदनगर के साथ बीजापुर के साथ गोलकोंडा के साथ बेडर, ये सब एक दूसरे के साथ लड़ाई शुरू किया. इवन विजयनगर किंगडम. Bedar was annexed by Ahmednagar and Bidar by Bijapur. The rest of the kingdoms were later captured by the Mughals. Okay. मैंने क्वेश्चन मार्क किया कर दिया था. विजयनगर में जो मार्किंग किया वो लिख लेना, और बामनी में जो तुम लोग वीडियो से देख लेना कहाँ से मार्किंग है, उसको भी कॉपी में ठीक ठाक करके लिख लेना. थैंक यू.